Hey guys, it's Shereé, and today I will be sharing with you what I received in my ColouredRaine mystery box. First things first, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do subscribe. And if you're a returning person to my channel, thank you so much for your support. I truly appreciate you. Alright, so I received an email from ColouredRaine saying that they had a special mystery box. It's $35 and that I would receive about $150 or more worth of product. So I was excited to test it out. I've never ordered one of these before, and it came and I'm pleasantly surprised. So I'd like to share with you what I received. The first thing that I received is an eyeshadow palette. This is actually the Smoke Show. Now, I've never tried any of their eyeshadow palettes before, so I really don't know about the quality or anything. But what I can tell you is that I personally would not have picked this eyeshadow for myself. It is a very usable palette. I could definitely see someone using this as an everyday type of palette for work or something like that. There is a green, which I like. There's a sparkly black, but the other colors are pretty neutral and yeah, kind of blah, but it's okay. I'm excited to test out the quality of their shadows. So that was the first thing that I received. The next thing that I received is actually a single shadow, and it's in the color Brick. It's a beautiful brown color. You can never have too many of these, so this is a good product to receive. Now, the thing that I'm kind of excited about is the highlighter. Now, this is a Facial Point Glow Lighter, and let's see, is there a color on here? Let's see. Oh, it's Your Treat. So I like this because it is definitely going to be a good shade for my skin complexion. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on my hand. Let's hope my hands are not ashy. Forgive me if they are. I did just wash dishes, so a little forgiveness, please. Oh yeah, that's a really pretty highlight. Okay, this is a good product to have received. I'm excited about this guy. All right, the next thing that I received, it looks like, is a tool. I'm going to have to assume that this is like for lashes. I don't apply false lashes. I always wanted to, but I don't have the confidence to fiddle with glue that close to my eye, so maybe sometime in the future. Anyways, it is a cool tool. I don't know how much these retail for, but for the right person, I'm sure that they'd probably be super thrilled about this. All right, and to go along with that tool is a pair of lashes. The casing and the packaging on all of these products is really pretty. Let's see what these lashes look like. Oh, wow, they're taped up pretty good. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Wow. I don't know if you can see this from the glare of the light from my window, but these are some really enormous lashes. Oh, maybe this would help. Do you see? I mean, who's wearing these lashes? This might be something that I give away to one of my sisters because I really don't see myself walking around with fur coat lashes. Anyways, but that came in the box as well. I'm not sure what those retail for. Now, the things that I'm most excited about is the lip products. Now, this was pretty cool. I received, I don't know if everybody received the same thing, 3 lipsticks and 3 liquid lipsticks. So let's go with the liquid lipsticks first. This one is a matte lip in Boss Babe, which sounds like a really great name. So let's hope it's a really great color. It's not a great color. I mean, it's not a bad color. I just feel like I have so many things like this. If you could see that. It's kind of like a mauve-y color, mauve brown. It's okay. I do like their formula on their lipsticks, so I probably will wear it. Honestly, I could see myself more so wearing this in the winter time, and that might be the purpose of these $35 mystery boxes, to get rid of some old product. I don't know if that's true or not, but I could see that being the case because it does seem slightly odd that they would only charge $35 for over $150 worth of makeup. Now, this one is also a matte lip, and it's in Spiced Punch. I love this color. It is a color that I have a lot of from different brands, but this is one of those colors that I will buy over and over again. It's kind of like a brick orangey red. I don't know if you can see that, and I think I actually might try that guy on in just a sec. The last liquid lipstick is... So this one is a matte lip in the color Suede, which is kind of an interesting color, brown. It's actually going to be hard for you to see. It's very similar to my skin color. It's right up here. This would be really pretty with a liner. I could definitely see myself rocking this year round. So that one's actually a win. Alright, so the next thing is the actual lipsticks. Now these are the ones that I was super excited about. Lately I have been so into traditional lipsticks and lip glosses. My lips have been so dry, and I just feel like with liquid lipsticks, they just suck the life out of my lips. So I'm excited to try their lipstick formula. This one is a satin lipstick. The casing is beautiful. I really love these lipsticks. Oh, okay. This is a really good color. I don't know if you can see it. It's right here. It's a very nice lighter mauve-y color compared to that liquid lipstick. It's definitely a good spring summer color. I think I would wear it all year round though. It's very pretty. Alright, and it seemed pretty smooth going on the hand, so I'm sure that it'll probably wear nicely on the lips. The next thing that the next lipstick that I received is also a satin, and this one is in Affluence. And this is a dark colored lipstick, which is really gorgeous. Ooh, pretty. It's kind of a vampy looking color. It's a deep berry color, and it's gorgeous. It went on the hand really smoothly. It's right next to the other lipstick. Hopefully you can see that. I am filming in front of natural light today to see how I like it versus using my ring light. So when I edit this footage, I guess I'll really know how well it worked. The last lipstick is actually... it's just a lipstick. It doesn't say if it's a satin or not, so maybe it's a matte. And this one is in Empathy. Okay, Empathy, come out of the box. Again with the beautiful packaging. Oh, and so this one is like a brown color. And I'll swipe it right here. It's like a neutral, nudie color. I really like that a lot. I feel like both this color and this color I would gravitate more towards all year round with a nice liner like Cork by MAC. This is a really nice lipstick. Okay, so I have swatched and showed you everything that I received in my mystery box. Overall, I'm pleasantly pleased. I want to say that I recently purchased one of these liquid lipsticks at Target for like somewhere between $15 and $20. So to receive all of these lip products, I more than, tripled the amount of money I would have paid on just a couple of these, or in the amount that I paid for the box. So that's really great. The lashes I won't use. The eyeshadow palette I may not use. I'm not sure. I might use it just to test it out and then give it to a friend or family member. The highlighter looks gorgeous. I really can't wait to put that on my face. Again, lashes is a no-go, and the tool is a no-go for me, but it's well worth it just for the lip products alone. Hopefully they have a decent shelf life. And I can wear them for a while. Alright, I really like to try on this Spiced Punch color. It's so gorgeous. I just want to know if it's as good as I think it's going to be. That is so pretty. I love it. I love a good orange red. What I can say about this is that it's quite liquidy. I want to say that it's kind of like a mix between a moussey liquid lipstick and a liquid lipstick. It's not super messy. It slid on the lips really easily. But it's not really thin either. Like, say, a Kat Von D lipstick is kind of thin. This is a little bit thicker. It felt really good going on the lips. Pretty creamy. I don't know how long it will take to dry down, but it's gorgeous. And this is a color, again, that I would wear all year round. I feel kind of weird wearing lipstick with no face makeup, but I just had to know what this color looked like on my skin. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing these products, and if you were on the fence about testing out their mystery box, hopefully this helped you to make your decision as to whether or not you'd like to try it. I don't know how long the promotion is happening, but in my opinion, I think it was a good win, and I'm really excited about the number of lip products that came in this mystery box. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.